35 years of actively participating in the judicial confirmation process, I don't recall someone who more forcefully and directly advocated such an activist judiciary. In a 2008 article published in the Stanford Law Review, for example, Professor Liu argued that the judiciary is, quote, a culturally situated interpreter of social meaning, unquote. That would be a surprise to America's founders, who had a much more pedestrian view of the judiciary, which Alexander Hamilton described as the weakest and least dangerous branch. Thomas Jefferson warned that if judges could control the Constitution's meaning, it would be nothing but a lump of wax the judges could twist and shape into any form they please. There is no room in this modest judicial role for something as grand as interpreting social meaning. Now, I grant that there are individuals or institutions in our society who should play this role. I think that elected representative bodies like the one in which I am proud to serve should play this role, and so does the Constitution. But the last body of people in our society who should play this role of culturally interpreting social meaning are judges in whose hands is placed the interpretation and application of the supreme law of the land.